If CapCut is showing a black screen on your PC, don't worry. This is usually a performance or hardware acceleration issue, and it's often very easy to fix. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to solve the CapCut black screen problem step by step, so you can get back to editing without wasting time. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and CapCut tutorials. First, open CapCut on your PC like you normally would. Once the app is open, look to the top right corner of the window and click the gear icon. That gear icon is where CapCut keeps the settings menu, and that's where we'll make the fix. Inside settings, you'll want to find the Performance tab. Click on Performance to open the system and playback related options. This section controls how CapCut uses your computer's resources, and in many cases, the black screen issue is caused by the app trying to use hardware features that don't work properly on certain PCs. Now look for the option that says Speed up hardware encoding and decoding. This setting can sometimes cause display issues, especially if your graphics drivers are outdated, incompatible, or if CapCut is struggling with your system configuration. To fix that, simply uncheck Speed up hardware encoding and decoding. After disabling that option, click Save to apply the changes. Don't skip this part, because saving is what makes sure CapCut actually keeps the new setting. Once you save it, fully restart the app. Close CapCut completely and open it again so the change takes effect. After the restart, CapCut should load normally without the black screen. If it still gives you trouble, you may want to update your graphics driver, restart your PC, or check if CapCut has a newer version available. But in most cases, turning off hardware encoding and decoding solves the problem right away. So that's the quick fix for the CapCut black screen on PC. If this video helped you out, please tap like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut tutorial or editing fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.